Speak English like a pro in just 15 days. Welcome to SpeakSphere Institute. We're so excited to begin this journey with you. Get ready to unlock your English confidence. Why learn spoken English? Because it gives you confidence, better job, and freelancing opportunities, and helps you in real-life conversations. And the best part? No boring grammar. You will learn how to speak English fluently in conversations, and you'll be able to start speaking with confidence. Just 15 days, 20 minutes a day, with fun topics and practice tasks. So, what exactly will you learn? Self-introduction, daily routine, ordering tea, chatting on WhatsApp, friendly conversations, online shopping talk, confidence building, and grammar without rules. That's not all. You'll also get 50 power sentences, correct common mistakes, and boost your fluency step by step. This course is for everyone: students, housewives, freelancers, and complete beginners. If you want to speak English with confidence, this is for you. Why is this course different? No boring rules, just real-life English with Urdu and English explanation. You'll get voice note tasks, practice speaking, and build true confidence. In just 15 days, you'll speak fluently in everyday English, expand your vocabulary, and feel more confident in interviews and phone calls. You'll be able to chat, order, and speak in English with ease. Are you ready to begin your journey? Let's speak English the fun and easy way. Enroll now to start your transformation. How will you practice? Through daily speaking tasks, WhatsApp voice notes, interactive examples, and easy explanations in Urdu and English. So, original fee, 10,000 rupees. Now only 4,999, limited time offer. Plus, receive a digital certificate, perfect for interviews, freelancing, and your CV. Thank you for watching. See you in class. Let's begin your journey to confident spoken English.